Just want to say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. What's going on, guys? Got another video for you guys. Y'all seen, I uploaded the video. By the time this comes out, that video will be out. But the ammo score, and I showed you that I got 2 of these chainless sets. Don't have a name on it, but I'm just gonna call it the survival kit. So took out the old trusty old timer. Let's get this blade out. Oh, the whistle's second. Good. That's it. That's pretty good. The old trusty old timer away. Sharp little thing. It has like an inch blade. It has a bottle opener, a hex screw, and a hex set, and a little lanyard. Pretty dang nice. Of course, it ain't gonna fit my big wrist, but pretty cool. Not very the most, oh, and it has a saw up there. Not the most ergonomic knife, but just something to have. And it was on sale for super cheap, so I said I'll get it. Look at the little sheath it comes with. Oh, how cute. I have a problem with chainless sometimes with their sheaths. Sometimes they don't want to go on. Like you put the flint striker back here. Well, the heck are you supposed to? Where are you supposed to put the whistle at? And some washing instructions. Shows you how to wash and sharpen your knife. I like that they didn't make a place for the whistle to go. I guess you could put it on the lanyard. And comes with a lanyard. Get this fire striker out. Sharp little knife. Yeah, I should already know how to do this. You strike. Just so you just strike wherever the magnesium is, and it sparks. Please understand, guys. Got another video for y'all. Another ammo score. So, like I said, ammo is coming in everywhere. I went to Cabela's and Walmart today, both had ammo. First, we'll go with the Cabela's. I got one box of 5.56 green tip. You have $5 limit. These were $14 a piece. I so wish the prices would go back down, guys. 62 grain, first ever green tip. Then I got this the other day, but I figured I didn't want to put one box of ammo in an ammo score, so I just put it in today. 27 Nitro Remington 12 gauge, 7.5 shot. It's supposed to be softer shooting. I thought the box was really cool, so I just got it. And this is what I got from Walmart. Some more ammo. I got all 3 boxes that they had. So 15 rounds of rifled hollow point Winchester Super X slugs. They also had some double aught buck, but that was a 3-inch. And I don't really like shooting 3-inch stuff. So. Got those were $6 a piece. And then I got these 2 survival kits. Chamber survival kits. They were $2.50. $2.50 a piece. So that's $4 a piece. So I said, yeah, I'll get them. Comes with a whistle, fire striker, and this long knife thing, jigger. So, we're gonna try to see you next time. Bye.